Okay, so before this video starts, I just want to give a little bit of context. One, I still don't have a cord for my mic, so the audio is still a little Our local ice cream shop, Abraham's Ice Cream, the owner lost his cat. His cat kind of looks like this. JJ and Vinny found a cat that looks identical. I mean, like, they actually thought it was the cat, so they took the cat off someone's lawn. Mind you, they went onto someone's yard and took the cat. So they stole someone's cat, and then the owner came out and said, yeah, that's not my cat. My cat came home and passed away. So yeah, JJ and Vinny stole a cat, and then later on in this video, JJ threw a party, and there was some fire incidents. So that's all I'm gonna say. Get into the video.
The cat lives over there. He lives outside.
Well, you were right.
Say that.
Yep.
Wait, what?
There we go. Oh my god.
Hey, Jay, what'd you say?
Like you put up the sign that said my cat just got no problem.
Wait, it died?
Yeah, I went back home and it died.
Oh.
Like the skies. My man is a savage, I can see it in his eyes. It's true, Logan, you're very wise. Also really true, that's why you're my guy.
This is what we do on our free time, is we listen to like Jake Paul and Logan Paul songs.
Making music videos is
Just because we like Logan's much better.
And Logan's our guy.
Yeah, Logan's our main guy.
He's like our best friend.
Yeah.
Close family friend.
Close family. I just saw it in the LCD of my lens of my camera, sorry.
It was. I thought you were gonna catch it.
Yeah, I thought you were better at catching.
I thought you were gonna catch that too.
I mean, he kind of deflected it.
Hey, I got an expensive cam. Well, I got an expensive face. Fuck you. It's worth $5. Fuck. I'm not sure, please. Get up here.
Just to piss you guys off. Okay, there you go.
What are you doing?
You ready?
I'm gonna just sit here. Everyone can go.
Oh yeah, man, I got you, bro. I ain't let my Grove Street guy die alone.
You see, that's why Boys is here.
What's that? What's that?
Okay, that wasn't that bad. I thought it was good.
I'm gonna snap.
I can't, guys.